Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another way to unlock the pattern lock screen password. And this time I have a Samsung M10 here to unlock this pattern password or PIN or any other password you might have set on your device's home screen, okay? Remove your SIM card, remove your memory card, because this procedure will erase everything stored in its memory. In some cases you might also need to connect a USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any program, file or anything like that. So try it both with and without the cable and use whichever method works for you. In the comments we let you know about the cable so you can enter recovery mode, and then you go there and select the option, the unlock method that I'm going to show you here. You can leave the phone on this emergency screen or here where it's asking you to enter the PIN. I prefer to leave it here. At the same time, you're going to press the volume down and power buttons together. When it restarts, release the volume down and press the volume up, and our logo will just appear on the screen. When the logo appears, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. I'm going to show you here so you can do it there and unlock your device. Alright, let's go. So volume down and power together, as we said. Keep holding until the device restarts. Let's wait here for a few seconds. Release the volume down and press the volume up now. Pay attention to the screen, release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode. Just like we told you, once you get to this screen, I want to remind you that this procedure also works for other Samsung models. Now scroll down by pressing the volume down button until the fifth option, or rather it's the fifth option where it says wipe data factory reset. Confirm with the power button, scroll down again and confirm once more. Let's wait and confirm. Once again, your device is already being unlocked. It will restart, you'll see, it will turn on and won't ask for any password or pattern on the home screen anymore. If this video helped you, if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be there. In the video description, it doesn't matter how much, what matters is your support. Your help is what supports us, thank you. And if you need to unlock your email or Google account as well, we can do this unlocking even remotely. Our number will be there. In the video description or in the description, you can get in touch and talk directly with me. Ask your questions, make your inquiry, and also check the price for your unlocking. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.